Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super TUF Gaming OG series with AD102 GPU. So friend, ASUS is launching at another RTX 4070 Ti Super with AD102 GPU, and the new AD102 GPU based version of RTX 4070 Ti Super is expected to perform similarly to AD103 model, and through the design of this card may differ significantly from the original, and the difference mainly comes from the cost, and companies like ASUS are not interested in investing in non-standard model. This approach requires two changes, a different GPU and modified memory configuration. In practice, this means the PCB is simply equipped with fewer GDDR6 module and different GPU are used with distinct BIOS configuration, and ASUS even offer a look at their new PCB design conforming its future less memory, and AD102 175 GPU as well can see 4 GDDR6 module are missing from this model, and no the mentioned heavily cut down VRM section, and the card is 2 cm longer and 0.2 cm narrow, but the thickness is nearly the same, and the card just seen and listed a new egg at $809.99 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.